The City of Chicopee is looking for development proposals for the former Uniroyal property. The nearly 10-acre property includes 4 remaining historic buildings and the former Uniroyal tire property, a city-owned brownfield site in Chicopee Falls. The city has invested more than $40 million in environmental assessment and cleanup between the former Chicopee property and the former Face Map property since 2010. The proposals are due by July 21st.